Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and going straight to Activity. This avoids extra menus and gets you to the pending item fast. Once in Activity, scan the list and tap the transaction that shows pending. Verify amount, merchant name, and time so you don't cancel the wrong charge. If you used multiple accounts, make sure you're on the exact Google account that initiated the payment. This is important because pending transactions are tied to accounts and payment methods. Once you open the pending transaction, check for an available cancel or decline button. Google Pay will show it only when possible. If you see a contact merchant option, tap it and request an immediate cancellation. Explain the payment is pending and provide the copied amount and timestamp. If no cancel option exists, reach out to the merchant directly via their listed contact. A merchant-initiated cancellation is often required for pending authorizations to be released. To finalize, if the merchant can't cancel, contact your bank or card issuer and ask them to release or dispute the pending authorization. Provide the transaction details. Make sure to follow up because holds can take 3 to 7 business days to clear. If the charge remains, escalate to Google Pay support with screenshots, merchant replies, and any bank reference numbers so they can investigate. One tip: keep all timestamps and confirmation ID. These speed up recovery if the payment won't drop.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.